To simplify the square root of 49, I would hope you would realize that 49 is a perfect square, 7 times 7, so the square root of 49 is 7. But if you didn't see that, we can still go through all the steps we do for any simplification of a radical problem, and we'll come up with the same answer. So let's go ahead and do that. The first step is to take the number underneath the radical and factor it. So I'll need to factor 49. So let's go ahead and do that. To factor 49, my first step is to create a prime factorization tree. That is a tree that shows me all the prime factors of 49. And there is that tree. So I know that the prime factors of 49 are 7 and 7. Now that I have those prime factors, I can go through and I can use them to rewrite my original expression using those factors. So I can say that the square root of 49 is equal to the square root of the factors of 49, or excuse me, the product of the factors of 49, which in this case is 7 times 7. Now that I have that expression of the square root of 7 times 7, I'm going to circle whatever like pairs I find. And there's one right there. 7 and 7 are both the same number, so I'm going to circle those. My next step is to cross out the pairs and move them outside the radical. So there's my expression. I'm going to cross out the 7s and just move them outside. My last step is to multiply the terms both outside and inside the radical. But when I look at this, outside the radical, I have 7. There's nothing to multiply. And inside the radical, I've already crossed out the two terms that were there. There's nothing left. So I don't have to do this step. Instead, I'm just left over with what's left over there, and that is 7. So the answer is to simplify the square root of 49. The square root of 49 equals 7.